It starts with a single moment where position, movement, and time intersect, where accuracy matters and there is no margin for error. Precision becomes the differentiator. In motorsports, the line between winning and losing is measured in millimeters. Every corner, every point, every adjustment calculated to perfection. This same standard drives Topcon. For decades, we've led the industry with precision. From the pit lane to production lines, from race circuits to city streets. We know success doesn't happen by chance. It's earned through real-time data, advanced automation, and the drive for perfection. Every decision sharper, every movement smarter, every point measured. In the office, on the field, across cities and continents. Topcon drives performance with one unshakable truth. Precision isn't just what we do, it's who we are. Topcon, since precision exists.